Hello and welcome to week 4. This week we're keeping with our Wednesday, Friday, Sunday regular schedule with forum assignments you see here due on Wednesday and Friday and the major assignment due on Sunday. This week the forum is based on May. Y'all are pretty familiar with May. Many of you have used her as your character, your chosen character for the character analysis. Those of you who haven't, that's okay. You'll use her too. I'm especially interested in this forum because we're talking about evaluation here. And as a teacher, I am very concerned about what y'all think about grading. I hate it personally, but I like feedback. I like to give you plenty of feedback. I hate when I have to assign a grade. We'll talk about that more. Anyway, I want to talk about the major assignment here, the revision of essay number 1. You wrote me a character analysis for last week, and I am going to ask you this week to spend a lot of time revising it. Revision is one of the most important skills to learn in a writing course. Revision can make a difference between a letter grade. You never, ever, ever want to turn in a first draft to any class. You always want to proofread. You always want to revise. So that's what I'm asking you to do, to take your paper, your character analysis from last week, use my comments maybe as a starting point, maybe not, and revise it, make it better. Start all over again. Do whatever it takes to make it into a better paper. And those of you who have made fairly good grades on it, or A's, A minuses, that's almost more difficult, but you can always make things better. Now, if I'm going to try my hardest with these character analyses for week 3 to get them graded and back to you as soon as possible, because I want you to have plenty of time to look at my comments and to talk to me about anything you want to about that paper. I'm going to try my hardest to get them back to you by Wednesday. If yours, if you don't think you have enough time, please let me know. I'd be glad to extend the deadline for the revision. I want to make sure you've got plenty of time. And some of you, unfortunately, will be the last papers I'll grade. So I don't want you to be at a disadvantage from your classmates. So let me know. I'd be glad to give you a day or two of an extension. And anyway, with anything, let me know, and I would be glad to help you with anything.